Squamish, British Columbia, Canada, home of the West Coast Railway Association. The WCRA owns ex-Via XCN FP9A locomotive number 6520. When the Canadian National Railway Historical Association and Rapido Trains Inc. learned that 6520 was in need of a new paint job, we stepped in. Along with rail fan Jeff Birmingham, we offered to cover the complete costs of the new paint job, provided it would be painted in the one original FP9A paint scheme that has never been used in railway preservation. Rapido's Jordan Smith was on hand to capture the big unveiling in person. In 1961, Canadian National introduced a radical new image, what rail fans often refer to as the wet noodle. The 1961 rebranding is considered one of the most successful in corporate history and still forms the basis for CN's corporate image almost 60 years later. Despite the fact that these colors graced the majority of Canada's passenger trains for the better part of 20 years, this is the first time in Canada that a CN passenger locomotive has been restored to this bold and striking paint scheme. All we can say is, it's about time.